Okay, so I just wanted to make a quick video about the Saint Denis vampire. I'll make a fuller video later, and I want to try to go with John and Arthur to see him. Hey, hit a like, subscribe, and come over to Twitter too. Enjoy.
Oh, come on now. Don't you come on now with me. You need to lay out that whiskey.
So, you found me.
The vampire.
Hey! What are you doing?
Stay back for your own sake. I walk with the undead.
What, you're a vampire?
I have been called many names over the centuries. Now go, or I'll feed on you too.
Yeah, you're no more a vampire than I am.
I'll suck you dry.
Nice try. All right, let's pick up his blade. That's all you had? Stringy meat? Nice. Right on, a rare decorative dagger featuring a silver blade embossed with ornate designs and a gold statuette handle. This weapon previously belonged to the strange pale man dressed in black, discovered lurking amongst the back alleyways of Saint Denis. Nice. One more for the compendium. Nice. I like it. Okay, here we are as Arthur. Poem number 1. I drink from the maiden and I live, again in the dead, the heart of the ring of blood. Okay, and we are here. All right. And the next one is here.
Good morning, mister.
Good morning. Ooh, tuberculosis.
Morning.
Morning, sir.
That's a well-made wagon.
Giddy up!
Indeed, giddy up.
Morning, sir.
Oops, I missed it. I feed again the blood of life. The circle has begun.
Yeah, that's the way of it.
And I'm right here.
My husband was working a riverboat that night of the robbery. Said one was a Mexican and...
It's Javier. I feed again the blood of life. The circle has begun. And I am Right here by the store.
One of them crook cops took in Jimmy for swiping. All right, I just want to be left alone.
Oh, sweetest of napes, may your blood remain forever on my lips. 6 there will be before the lust is sated. And I am right here.
I'm a racist, and I want you to be the same.
Okay. We gotta get rid of this guy.
It's time we all talked about purity. The impure will rule the world, and then where will we be? It'll be like living in a toilet.
Hello, sir. What the hell? Let's see what the police have to say.
Make it easy on yourself and give
Oh shit.
You're not right in the head.
There it is. And I am right here. The $5 wanted level. Here's the way Arthur deals with this guy.
So, you found me.
Hey, what are you doing?
Stay back for your own sake. I walk with the undead.
I'm gonna walk with the dead here in a minute.
What, you're a vampire?
I have been called many names over the centuries. Now go, or I'll feed on you too.
You're a goddamn idiot.
I'll suck you dry.
He's gonna burn in hell. Oh no!